Hello everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to come to you really quickly and talk about some of our new summer products. As some of you know, we just released our theme for summer, and it is I Washed Up Like This, which is super fun. It's mermaid themed, lots of fun products with shea butter, with sea salts, with algae, with seaweed, lots of fun mermaid themed products. So I want to go over a couple of them with you right now. So my favorite one so far is the Resting Mermaid Face Mask. It's an exfoliating mask, but it doesn't have exfoliating beads. So there's a couple of fruit enzymes that actually eat away your dead skin, and so you don't have to do any type of scrubbing, and that's what this one is. So it's a very smooth mask, no exfoliating beads, but it will get rid of that dead skin. I don't know if you can see it. It's a very light pale green color, which is super fun. It has yogurt, so it's got probiotics, and it also has the fermented pomegranate in it. And it smells like fresh cucumbers. It is the most fresh mask that you have ever tried. It is really, really cool. It really smells like you just went in the kitchen and cut up a bunch of fresh cucumbers. Love this one. It has aloe vera, it's got the probiotics, and it's got the cucumber. You leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse off. Love, love, love this one. Another new summer product is called Oh My Shell, which this is a scrub bar. So if you don't like dipping your hands in a scrub tub, this is the way to go. So these things are big. They are big. They pack a lot of punch. You can cut them up, like I cut them up for samples, because I know people like to use a separate piece for their feet versus their legs versus their elbows, wherever you need that extra exfoliation. Do not use snarky bars on your face though. They are pretty intense. I like to use them on my legs before a nice shave, and I get the closest shave ever. So this one, I believe, has the algae in it. It's got shea butter in it, and it has a very fresh melon scent. So it is wonderful. Love, love, love. And it's also a very light green color, continuing our theme. We did have a mermaid scrub, but it has been discontinued. So we do not offer that one, but this scrub bar is amazing. And I've heard it's actually better than the scrub that we had released for a short period of time. So we also released a couple of like cosmetic-y products, if cosmetic-y is a word. So one of our products that we have released are liquid facial highlighters. So the one I got is called Pinking Out Loud. It gives you just a nice subtle glow without being too harsh. Love it. It's a liquid and it has mica in it. So it's a very pretty highlighter. Super fun. Gives you that nice rosy glow. In our little summer extra catalog, there's a page that tells you where to apply it. You can even apply it on your collarbones, and then our 3 colors that we offer. This one's the Pinking Out Loud. So super fun. Nice to have that addition on with Posh. We also released a makeup setting spray made with coconut water and coconut juice called All Set. And it is amazing. It gives you like that light, dewy look without being greasy or like sweaty. But it gives you that dewy, fresh look so you don't look dried out. And the scent is a light coconut. It reminds me of my favorite facial cream called Never Grow Up. It's the same scent. So it's a very light, refreshing coconut. Love this stuff because it has actual coconut water in it. So super fun with that too. Now, there are 2 more products, and I only have sample sizes. But these products went so fast. They are currently sold out. We're getting some more at the end of this month, I believe, and then we're getting some more next month. So if you've been a Posh lover for a while, you'll know that we had this one last year, and it has been one of our most popular hand creams. It's called Beach Blanket. So it's got soft citrus, creamy coconut, and sweet vanilla. So that mixture is heavenly. It is amazing. And if you're new to Posh, then I have to tell you that our hand creams are designed not to be greasy. So they're designed with apricot kernel oil, which is going to soak into your skin without leaving any grease on top. So this is amazing. This is super popular. When it comes back, it'll probably sell out really quickly again. So you've got to get your hands on some of this. My favorite body product that they released for the summer has been this guy right here. Trop the Beat. It is a coconut bomb. It is amazing. It literally smells like I need to be on an island somewhere. It is so hydrating and so amazing for my skin. I had days of hydration. It is really, 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 really awesome. I like to put it on after a shower because if you put it on while your skin's still a little bit damp, it locks in that extra moisture. So this is Trop the Beat. It's a coconut body balm with coconut oil, sapphire oil, and shea butter. Love, 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 love this stuff. So there's some of our newer products, and I kind of want to show you an oldie but goodie that I actually just recently got to try, and I'm really excited about it because it goes with the summer theme because it actually has dead sea salt and black sea salt in it. So this one is called Love the Dark, and it is a charcoal, honey, and sea salt scrub, which is amazing. And it's a shea butter base, so it's not a very grainy scrub. Obviously there's sea salt in it, but it's more of a moisturizing scrub. Look how dark that is. And I love the scent. It's supposed to be like an ocean breeze, but it smells manly, like that good manly smell where you're just like, oh, heaven. And it's really dark. I want to show you. See how dark that is? It is amazing. Look at all that charcoal, and charcoal helps to pull all the impurities, toxins out of your skin and pollutants. It's a very nice, amazing scrub. Very thick, very fun scrub. Love it. So, you know, you want to keep your skin, you want to keep all the dead skin off, and you want to keep your skin hydrated for the summer. And especially if you're a person who likes to do tanning creams, you want to exfoliate your skin very nicely to get the dead skin off before you apply your tanning creams and stuff like that. So there you have it. There's some of our new summer products. If you have any questions, let me know. You know I do free samples. So if you want some free samples, I'll mail them straight to your door. Thanks, y'all.